guys? Show Off 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. Before we get this vlog started today, I'm gonna go hit the weights. Alright guys, I got a buddy who's got a vehicle that I haven't shown on this channel yet. Mainly because I see him every now and then, a little less than I like to. Well, tonight I've never ridden in it. I've never been in the truck at all. And tonight I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and you're gonna get the first experience along with me, riding in it. I've known about it, I've seen it, I've heard it, I've watched it drive. I've just never been in it. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Alright, so real quick here before we go, let me give you a rundown of what's going on. My buddy's name is Rex, and I'm sure he might tell you more about the truck. He might tell you more, but the gist of it is, this S10, I think was his first car. I think it was his first car, and he drove it during high school, and it was just a single cab S10. I don't remember if it had a 4.3 in it, or was it just a 2.2. Just two-wheel drive. And basically he wanted to turn it into a drag truck, and had a lot of sentimental value to him, and he wanted to turn it into a drag truck. So now he's got a 6.0 LQ9 out of an Escalade. Pretty much he's changed every nut and bolt on that thing, like the exhaust. I helped him take his rear end out, but he's got wheels, tires, you know, he did all the wiring. I think he's got NOS hooked up to it. So many more things. And but yeah, it's a 6.0. It's got two-step. It's naturally aspirated. Fuel cell in the back of the bed. Plenty more things. I'm sure he'll talk about it. But we're gonna get going to see this truck because I'm excited, and I know you guys are too. So I guess he's picking me up, eh? There it is. How you doing?
How's it going?
Good. She's running, eh?
Running good.
That's good. So that's I was saying what it was, but I didn't know what all you had done to it.
It's a bone stock 6-liter, so the factory sealed engine. Never gonna have the valve covers off, but it's got nitrous on it. It's a face plated 6-speed. You have 411 gear in the rear end. A bunch of stuff done to that. A ton of work done to the suspension, front and back. It runs pretty good though.
This was your first truck, wasn't it? Or your first car?
First vehicle.
I thought it was. I couldn't remember.
We got the radiator and fans made for it this year.
Oh yeah. Man, dude. Sounds good. What's the exhaust? Anything special?
It's got an X-pipe, true duals, magnet blow mufflers. And I got cutouts on it with electric motors. Fuel cell, nitrous bottle, battery.
Oh, you got your battery back here? I guess I didn't even think of that, yeah. Oh, that's right, because you want a lot of weight back here, don't you? Is that why you did it?
Yeah, the more weight you keep in the back, the better it is.
Oh, man. Yeah, I'm ready, man. This trans? Oh, is this the same trans?
It's a faceplated T56, so
oh, okay.
No synchronizers, first or fourth.
Oh, really?
It's just direct gear to gear, or I can double clutch it and shift it really easy.
Oh, your sprouter doesn't work. Oh my god, dude. Were you spinning through second?
Yeah, it's through third. Every gear I let off and then starting off a little bit. Everywhere I always like to go for rides, nice flat, smooth.
Oh yeah. sure.
Take off faster than the guy next to me or I'm driving around. So I want to keep the stock interior, the stock dash, like the steering wheel.
You still got cruise and everything?
I will as soon as I get the speedometer working. I actually added cruise control to this thing.
Oh, okay.
So I got tilt steering. I actually added that tilt steering column to it. And when I got the truck, it was a stock 4-cylinder automatic when I bought it.
Oh, it was auto?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I built a little center console around it. I moved the computer for the motors up in there. I relays to the fans and everything else in there. And the nitrous controls up under there. Turn it on, the heater in the back. Purge. The switch turns it on and off. It's activated by the clutch pedal. So I put the clutch pedal to the floor. It's on.
Oh,
Put the switch off, the clutch pedal's still to the floor.
Oh my god. Camera hit me in the face.
Cutouts, there's a switch down here too.
Holy, that made it 10 times louder.
Full exhaust to the bumper, or I can dump it right here.
So you taking to the track anytime soon?
Yeah, hopefully. Shooting for Motor City Mayhem at the beginning of September.
So do you have to go through each gear on your way down? I noticed you did it back there.
Downshifting kind of sucks the faceplated trans. It really does. You know, even when I'm coming to a stop, and it's rough anytime you go downshifting.
Uh huh.
You know, unless you're under load. So I can go with like fifth, fourth, pretty no problem. Fourth to third, I gotta like get into it right before I do it. When I got the two-step, it's got a no-left shift. So when I'm racing somebody, I got the two-step on. Launch it off the two-step, hold my foot to the floor the whole entire time, and every time I hit my foot to the floor of the clutch pedal, it pops. It pulls timing, so it makes it easier for it to go into gear. Like right now, like fifth's too low, fourth, and third. It's really clattery though, downshifting. The whole purpose of the transmission is for not letting out of the gas pedal when you're shifting.
Yeah.
For all-out drag racing. But when you're daily driving it, I mean, it's not really made for daily driving.
Is there anything you haven't replaced?
No, it's been right down to the complete bare frame. Every single thing out. The lower control arms are still factory, but they're sandblasted and powder coated and got steel bushings put in them and AFCO low friction ball joints. The upper control arms are new. I put a whole TRZ manual steering rack and pinion. All the tie rod ends on that are all new. And the leaf springs in the back are new. The sliders, there's no shackles or anything anymore. And the front bolts are drilled out to 5/8. The cab's still original, but it's got a little bit rusty floor. I got a new cab for it. I'm gonna put it over winter when I do the cage. That door's still original. Only a little dent in that, I'll keep that. And this fender up here is still original. I got T-boned a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Blew through a stop sign, left the truck.
Remember that.
Finally got the cleanest box I could possibly find. Still got two little rust spots taken care of. I had the whole bottom side of it sandblasted and powder coated, or sandblasted and painted. All the suspension parts are powder coated, leaf springs, sliders before I welded them on. All the brakes, calipers, brackets, control arms, coil springs. Let's do it for the kids, man.
Oh, of course. Plenty of tire left. Come on, focus.
a sleeper, all mixed match color with these crappy wheels on it.
Yeah, that's true. I never thought of the wheels too. That adds to it. Well, thanks for the ride, man. This is badass. I've always wanted to be in here, but... Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I'm on my phone right now because, well, my camera is deader than dead. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you thought his truck was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty good. I'm glad you guys got to experience the first drive that I've been in it, along with me. Like I said, it was pretty awesome, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Here's some more videos of what his truck can do, and I'll see you in the next vlog.